In 3.4, we're going to finish off our unit looking at the volume and capacity of spheres, cones, and pyramids. So the first formula we'll give you is the formula for the volume of a sphere, which is 4/3 pi r cubed. Now, when we did the surface area, let's start with the area of a circle is pi r squared. When we did the surface area of a sphere, it was pi r squared times 4. Now the volume of a sphere is pi r cubed, so there's one change there. 4 times pi r cubed, and then divide by 3. So that's our volume of a sphere. This is on your sheet as well, your formula sheet, which of course you can use. And remember, cubed means you're multiplying by itself 3 times. So the radius times the radius times the radius. And then changing to your capacity is exactly the same as what we did before. 1,000 cubic centimeters equals 1 liter. We're also going to have to know how to convert between cubic meters and cubic centimeters. So here we have a box, 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. It would have a volume of 1 meter cubed because 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. And if we change to centimeters, now we have 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters. Now if we calculate our volume, we have 1,000,000 cubic centimeters. So 1 meter cubed is the same as 1,000,000 cubic centimeters. And if we look at that, 1 meter cubed, well, how many liters would this be? So we know that 1,000 cubic centimeters is the same as 1 liter. If we had 1,000,000 cubic centimeters, some reason that reminds me of, I can't remember what it's called now. It'll come back to me when it's not important. It's not important now either. Over x liters, how many would that be? We're dividing by 1,000, so we're going to move the decimal place over 3. So how many liters would that be? X would be 1,000,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros divided by 1,000. So get rid of 3 zeros, and x would be 1,000 liters. So 1 cubic meter is also equal to 1,000 liters. Okay, so that's another thing that we can throw into our little toolbox. Now let's look at example 1. I'm just going to make this a bit bigger. Zoom in. So we have a spherical exercise ball. It has a diameter of 1.2 meters. We want to know what its volume is and what its capacity is. So A, what is its volume? Well, we know the volume of a sphere. We can look at this on a formula sheet. 4 divided by 3 times pi r cubed, which is 4/3 pi. Oh, what's our radius? Well, we know the diameter is 1.2. That means the radius is half of that. Half of 1.2 is 0.6 meters. So we're going to 0.6 cubed. And if we look at that, so throw that into our calculators, 4 divided by 3 times pi times 0.6 cubed, and we get 0.9 meters cubed. Now I've given you guys the conversion between meters cubed and liters, but let's do it in the 2 steps just to keep going with that. So we know that 1,000,000 centimeters cubed is the same as 1 meter cubed, and you have that on your formula sheet. You can write the other one on your formula sheet as well. So we have x. We want to know how many cubic centimeters that is if we have 0.9 meters cubed. So that's 0.9 times 1,000,000. And we divide that by 1, which isn't going to change it, and that's going to give us 900,000 cubic centimeters. Okay, so we got 900,000 cubic centimeters. Well, now we got to change that to liters. So 1,000 cubic centimeters over 1 liter is equal to, well, we have 900,000 cubic centimeters, and we want to know how many liters that is. So that's going to be 900,000 divided by 1,000, and that's just going to be 900 liters. So there's our capacity. So there's our capacity, 0.9 meters cubed. Oh, that's a really bad box. That is our volume.